Hello, hello. Guess what? It is summertime, it is hot, we don't have time to be in the kitchen, but we still need side dishes to go with dinner. So I'm here to prepare a cold side dish for you that we are serving with a barbecue pork roast later this afternoon. But this is Daddy's coleslaw recipe. So it's quick, it's easy, and I want to show you how it's done. So go grab your spoon, go grab your chair, come back in. This one's gonna be quick. Let's make Daddy's coleslaw. Hi, thank you so much for coming into the kitchen today. Today, like I said, we're gonna make Daddy's a coleslaw recipe. So don't worry about notes or anything like that. You know, everything is in the description below for you, the recipe, the ingredients, the whole 9 yards. Always put that in there. So let's get this going. I'll tell you as we go what we're using. Let me adjust the camera real quick though so you can see better my prep area. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, now we're in business. All right, you see before me 4 basic ingredients, and literally that's all we're doing. You want to take a coleslaw bag from the grocery store. So easy. You can do angel hair style, you can do whichever your family prefers. Use half the bag first. To that, we're going to add half a can of mandarin oranges. And I've drained off most of the syrup, but not all of it because it adds a nice tang to it. Now this is Daddy's secret. This is the secret, and again, I'm leaving half because we want to put that on the top at the end. Then you're going to go to your produce section. You can, if you don't have it, in the regular salad dressing area, but this is your secret. In the produce section with their cold dressings. Use this slaw dressing. Use a cold slaw dressing. And again, I'm just going to put in half right now. I like to do it half and half just to make sure that everybody gets covered nicely. So there we go. I've used about half. And then this is optional for you poppy seeds. So a teaspoon at a time. So a teaspoon at the half, and then we'll do it again at the end. If you don't like poppy seeds, please don't put them in. You don't need to put them in. That's zhuzh. But I'm telling you, you need to use the mandarin oranges. All right, so half, half, and half. And we're just gonna stir this, get it all nicely covered up. Now I'm making this in the morning. It's just before 10 because I want these flavors to sit and commiserate. Papa's favorite word. I want all these flavors to sit and stay. Get that cabbage nicely coated with all of the flavoring. Okay, so now I told you this would be quick. We're going half of the dressing. You'll end up using this whole jar. Not a problem. Pull all this out. How's everybody doing? Oh my gosh. Beautiful, beautiful mornings here in Central Florida. And we're getting our afternoon rainstorms. So everybody's so happy. I've got another, a different set of cranes coming by in the afternoon. So I have a set of 3 that means they aren't parents because they'll be in 2s. Once they find their mate, they kind of stay with their mate only. So got a set of 3, and next door neighbor and I are calling them, hello neighbor. We are calling them the triplets or the musketeers. All right, so another half teaspoon of poppy seeds went in there. Another teaspoon, sorry, so that makes 2 teaspoons total. I'm gonna stir this up. We're gonna put it in the serving bowl. I'm gonna cover the top with the remaining oranges, and then we're gonna let this sit. Delicious, delicious. So another cold salad for the books. People will be surprised that there's a sweetness to this. And they're gonna ask you, what the heck is that? Because as you can see, let me take the camera down. As you can see, as we're stirring everything together, the oranges kind of get mashed. So you can't really tell that that's an orange in there. But when they taste it, they're like, whoa, what's going on? All right, so let's put this in our serving dish. And then I'll take the camera down and show you just how pretty it is. Whoops. And if you wanted to, you could just leave it in this original dish, but since I'm going to top it with the oranges, I want it already prettified. Okay, let's take the camera down so you can see. There we go. It's absolutely delicious. Wonderful coleslaw flavors, a little bit of poppy seed, and then our secret, the mandarin orange. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, last bit. We're just going to top it with the remaining oranges, and then I will use the spoon to kind of spread them out evenly over the top, and then we'll cover it, and away it'll go for tonight's dinner. Perfect. Thank you so much for being in the kitchen with me as I made Daddy's coleslaw recipe. Thank you so much for hitting that like, for the subscribes. We are 435 friends. Oh my gosh. How fun. Stay tuned for a Zen moment. And if you didn't check out my short from last week, I actually put a short together of all of our Zen moments, including our little squirrel friend from my walk. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a great summer. We'll catch you next time in the kitchen. Bye. See you later.